हरिः कन्ना।
So now let's look into the most widely used plot, pie plot, a pie chart. A pie chart can only display one series of data. Pie charts show the size of items called wedge in one data series, so proportional to the sum of the items. The data points in a pie chart are shown as a percentage of the whole pie. Matplotlib API has a pie method that generates a pie diagram representing data in an array. So the fractional area of each wedge is given by x divided by sum of x. If sum of x is less than 1, then the values of x give the fractional area directly and the array will not be normalized. So the resulting pie will have an empty wedge of size that's 1 minus sum of x. So the pie charts looks best if the figure and axis are square or the axis aspect is equal. So now basically a pie method takes various arguments out of which x an array and labels a list and colors and auto pct. So these are the few, yeah, these are the few arguments that pie takes. Yeah, let's make a pie chart. Pi of x. Okay, let's copy this one. And then let's make data. So simple, we'll take a simple example. So we'll take x list sequence, that's 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. So colors is equals to plt dot get. I'm going to go with the get cmap. Yeah, cmap would be better. cmap and it's blues. Yeah, and as usual np dot linspace of 0.2 and 0.7 and len of x. That's all our colors, and I think it's all set. If you want to check print x, this is x, and if you want to check what is colors, and this is what the colors consist of. If you want to check the colors, and dim, yeah, it's a two-dimensional. That's okay. So now let's plot the pie. Let's plot the pie. So fig x is equals to plt dot subplots, an empty subplot. Now I have to define a type of plot. So ax dot pi of x is obvious, and colors, I'll use the colors variable that we have mentioned, and then a radius is 3 and center top left 4 comma 4, and few more arguments we need to add. It's a wedge props, so keyword arguments, line width, that's one, Then we have edge color, it's white, and a final argument, that's a frame, is true. And execute it, and here is your pie. Fantastic, fantastically looking. So let me do the few modifications to it. Let me copy the limitations code that we have used earlier. Yeah, this one. Yeah, and I'm gonna paste it here. So x limit 0,8, x ticks 1,8, y limit 0,8, and y ticks 1,8, and let me click on execute, and this is what your pie chart. Clear? So now we will make a one more pie chart with the different colors. Of course, here we have used the four colors, so blue and light blue and light blue and a kind of gray color. So let's look into the one more example here. So let me say fig is equals to plt dot figure. Then we have x is equals to fig dot add axis 0, 0, 1, 1. X dot axis, let's put equal, and length is one series. I want to include, so C++, Java, Python, PHP. And students, again our list, 23 for C, 17 for C++, 35 for Java, 29 for the Python, and 12 for PHP. This is what is our data. So now let me create a pie. So students labels, obviously labels you get it from the lengths. Then auto PCT, 1.2f plt dot show. So we have issues with the labels. So labels I need to get from the lengths. So auto PCT, yeah, here is that wonderful one. plt dot show, with the labels and with the percentages.